Today we will be discussing color conversion, questions on color model. So here we have red, green, blue, values as 155, 123 and 101, and maximum intensity is equal to 255, and we have to find corresponding CMY value. So normalized value of R is 155 divided by 255, which is given by 0.607. Similarly, for green is 123 divided by 255, which is equal to 0.48. Similarly, normalized value for blue will be given by 101 by 255. So 101 divided by 255 is 0.396. So converting this in CMY, as we know, CMY model, here CMY is equal to 1 minus red, green, blue. So C can be given as C is equal to 1 minus R, so 1 minus 0.607. This will be something 0.4, and M is equal to 1 minus 0.48. Magenta is equal to 1 minus green, which is equal to 1 minus 0.48. So 1 minus 0.48 is something 0.52 kind of, and blue y is given by 1 minus blue, which is 1 minus 0.396. so 1 minus 0.396 is 0.604. So this numerical, as we have found out, as CMY values are 0.4, 0.52 and 0.604. So this is how you can convert RGB to CMY. And if second question is, which color is indicated by H equal to 120 degree? So you know, if this is a red and there is a green and there is a blue, so between green and blue there is a 120 degree, and between between red and green it is 120 degree, and green and blue is 120 degree. So which color is indicated by H equal to 120? So for H equal to 120 we have green color. Similarly, if it would have been H equal to 240, so 120 plus 120, this is 240, so it would have been blue color. And for H equal to 60 degree, you know, for 60 degree we have here yellow, so red to yellow. For H equal to 60 degree we will be having yellow color. So from here, like this you can calculate colors for different H's, and previous class we have already discussed how to calculate H colors or RGB values from HSI or from HSI to RGB. So what can be the range of hue, saturation, intensity in HSI model? So from here you can see we are having red, green and blue. So as you can see, you can go from 0 to 360 degree. So hue value will be from 0 to 360 degree or 0 to 2 pi. And saturation is how much we are mixing, how much color we are diluting. So saturation can lie between 0 to 1. And intensity, as you know, if it is normalized, then intensity will be between 0 to 1. And if it is not normalized and we are using 8 bit, so maximum intensity is 2 to power of 8, that will be 0 to 255. So the ranges in which hue, saturation, intensity will lie is hue will lie between 0 to 360 and saturation will between 0 to 1, and intensity will lie between 0 to 1 or 0 to 255. This is a normalized value, and this is if we are using 8 bit, then this can be the range of intensity 0 to 255. Thank you.